us now. So that's the that's what does all the mixing now. We don't mix by hand anymore. Yes? Now you're going to go this way carefully. And you're going to wrap down that mesh for me. And we will now show you how you are going to shape. How the machine shapes the donut. I will need 5 volunteers. One from each group. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. So who's coming up first? Come on, coming up. Okay, and if you have your phones, you want to take pictures and so on and so forth, you can do that. First come over here. Bakers, and it's the face of all the delicious donuts and all the wonderful bakes you get from Bread Ahead. Alright, so this is what God is thinking for us now. Like I said, we don't do it manually anymore. We have a template, and we've got our donuts. So this gives us, I think it's 36 donuts. What you are going to do is, you want this one, goes on here, you're going to practically go out until it reaches 1 centimeter around the temple. You're not stretching the dough out, you're leaning into the dough. So you're stretching out like that, each time, like that, just the heel of your hand, doing that. Very good. Always start from the middle and ease it out. Yes. From the middle, a little more pressure. Very good. Then you dust it with a little bit of flour, like that. One section, 2 and 3. So I've done 1. Donuts that you shaped. Okay, well done, young man. Now you lift this template. You're going to insert it in here. There's a little nut at the bottom. It needs to key. So grab this carefully. Close it there. Down on it. Slide it in. And key. You're going to place both thumbs simultaneously. Voila! There we go! Woo-hoo! Lift it up. You will now arrange 5 on each row. So you're going round the back. So you go around the back. And you have enough sous chefs to assist you. This one.
Yeah, you get one for one there.
Okay. And who's next? Tom?
I got.
Omar? So this one is done, and that's how you're going to arrange 5 on each. All right, you ready? Tom? Just Omar? It's emotional. No pictures? You can, sure.
They will open like a so that's why they open the door.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
5 on each.
Exactly. More pressure.
تروحي تعملي لي عشان تصوري؟
Sorry. Come around us. One more there. It's five, okay?
Three sections.
Yeah,
Yeah.
put it in there. On the end, put it in there. Good girl.
Take out between them.
Lift.
Basically,
Next person, get ready. Grab that template. Grab the template. Show your keys. Yep. Good. Thumbs. Both thumbs simultaneously. Press.
yeah, that's it.
Release.
So then once you go down, you can.
Release. Release and off we go. Beautiful. Give it up for her. Woo-hoo. All right, you are next. And good job. 1 centimeter around.
كوفي انت كده مش هتعرف تعمل حاجة طول ما انت بتصور.
انا مبسوط قوي. من هدوء في الاخر اهم حاجه.
I like it.
Come on, let's go. Okay, both fingers simultaneously. Press. Release. Jiggle, jiggle. All right, who's coming up next? Sure? Okay.
Huh?
Just give them 1 centimeter around the edges when you have excess. Press. Yeah, that's fine. That side is fine. Yeah. Yeah.
Last magic touch. Last magic touch.
Yes, very crucial. All right, can you lift it? Lovely. Show your kids. Both thumbs. Press. Press it. Lift. Ah, lovely. You next. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. And exactly how we do it. Press rather than stretch. Press. arrange that. So we go on this trolley, extract them back into the food.
Well done.
Stay overnight and next day we'll travel.
See the amount of time. Yes. Plus one donut. So much time. Love. The best place to store your donuts in your bag. In the belly. They'll be fine today. Max, you can stretch it to tomorrow. There are no preservatives things. And no preservatives for my donuts. So we'll just keep it today and tomorrow. Tonight, okay. Well done, bakers. You're hired. And you'll see these couple of tomorrow.
I can employ you guys.
Lovely. Come with me.